Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's how to use Safelists for affiliate marketing leads and sales video, I'm going to email out today to 600,000 prospects. And just in the next few minutes, I'll show you, but more importantly, I want to show you how you can do this and you can have a pre-built audience to promote to and start to take your prospects from these safe lists and email lists onto your own lists because they all include tier one traffic and they all include buyers. So the first one I'm in is Hercules, and you'll see there are 332,880 members. I've pre-populated all these just for speed on this video here. The beauty of Hercules is going to submit ad here. It's free to join. It's going to be linked in the description for all of these. And Hercules, you can advertise up to 7 different ways. And you can start by advertising to 1,000 a day with the free membership. Hercules has got the fastest growing membership of any Safelists mailer site on the internet. So I joined for free, and then I upgraded to Pro. So I recommend you reinvest some of your profits to upgrade, and then you can start to reach that larger audience every single month. The next one is My Lead Gen Secret. And if you're not familiar with My Lead Gen Secret, this is 100% tier one leads. I'm going to go into mailing system. And when you start out with My Lead Gen Secret, click on select all. You get 100 leads every single day. And you'll see here that I'm up to today 159,800 leads. I'm going to pre-populate the email I sent yesterday. So we're going to click load. This has got a built-in autoresponder for you. When you use the affiliate program with My Lead Gen Secret, when you get one paid referral, you start to get 200 leads a day. So you start out getting 3,000 leads a month. And then when you get your first paid referral, then you can get 6,200 leads a day, 6,000 leads a month. I'm going to go on to perfect timing. I'm going to send email. You can email every 24 hours with My Lead Gen Secret, but you can also, the leads are your own. You can also download the leads if you want to be more aggressive with your marketing and you want to email out more than once a day. And with the affiliate program, you can promote the My Lead Gen Secret affiliate. You can promote the My Lead Gen Secret opportunity to the My Lead Gen Secret leads, and then get that first paid referral to start getting 200 leads a day. The next one's European Safe List. This is in the top 10 of any rankings you see within Europe, within the Safe List industry. I'm an upgraded member in all of these. I started out for free for most of them, and then I just reinvested my profits just to be able to email more often and also reach more numbers. If you've got, let's just do this for 17,000. I can email 17,875 today, 17,875. So if you've got an offer that converts, all you need to do is put the offer in front of more people. And the thing to do with these, this type of traffic is, that's working now, that's in progress, is to use a lead capture page and take the members from the safe list onto your own list. This is Proactive Mailer. Proactive Mailer's got a high percentage of tier one traffic. It's a small list, but what the owner Phil does, he cleans out this list. What's that say? 2929. What the owner Phil does, he cleans out this list on a weekly basis, and anybody who hasn't logged in for 30 days won't see your promotion. So I like Proactive Mailer because like the name of the site says, you're promoting to active members. And you see there, I'm promoting a lead capture page, just going to convert there. confirm. The next one is a high tier 1 traffic. I joined this one recently. Land marketing mailer. It's got a high percentage of tier 1 traffic. Again, a small list, but they clean it out regular. So again, you're going to be promoting to a high percentage of tier 1 traffic. And you see I'm promoting my click engine lead capture page. And if you're a regular on my channel, you'll see that I'm having a good degree of success with the lead, with the click engine. So I'm using these to promote my lead capture pages. I like this one because Marianne Myers is she's a traffic expert. This is Pangaea. It's got 129,000 members. Send an email ad. Marianne has been doing traffic for 20 years, so she knows exactly what she's doing. So I like to use some of her sites. I'm going to use this one today, and I'm allowed to use 10,000 credits with the upgrade that I've got within Pangaea. That's in the email queue. State of the art mail has got 44,000 members. This has been going now for I think 10 years. So I'm going to send email now. So the great thing about these is you've got a pre-built audience. If you're absolutely brand new and you haven't got your own email list, you haven't got any followers, you haven't got anybody to promote to, then you can join these. Majority of these you can join for free. This is Mr. Safelists. This gentleman here, I'm going to give you a free ebook by this gentleman here at the end of the video, Jerry Iannucci. He's been doing Safelists marketing for 15 years, and he's an absolute grandmaster. So I'm going to send out to Mr. Safelist, and the next three are by Darren Olander. Darren, if you're not familiar with Darren Olander, he's been marketing about 15 years. He's a traffic expert. If you follow me on my channel, you'll see that I'm a member of Prosperity Marketing System, which is owned by Darren Olander. So I'm going to send mail here. So Darren knows exactly what he's doing. I'm going to go to this one here, send mail, and then that's another one of Darren Olander's site, List Surfing, and this one here is Darren Olander's site as well. This one's called Achiever. Darren's got a portfolio of traffic sites, so I do recommend that you use sites by people who've been in the industry for quite some time. So I'm going to give you now is this free ebook. There's going to be a link in the description. And this is it's by Jerry Iannucci, who's the owner of Mr. Safelists. It's called Safelists Marketing Tactics, the Ultimate Guide to Safelists Marketing. It's a free ebook. So you just click the link in the description. And Jerry here, absolute veteran and grandmaster in the industry, 15 years of Safelists marketing. And he'll teach you inside of here how to become successful with Safelists marketing. So all the links will be in the description for all of these sites. And you'll see there that I've just emailed out to 600,000 prospects within a few minutes. Some of these I can do every day. Some of these I can email out to every 3 days. It depends on the upgrade option that you take. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you think of anybody else that will get value from this video, then please share it as well. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've got 1,000 videos now on the channel. So Safelists and email marketing is really it's a strategy that still works today. It's a great way for you to promote to a pre-built audience. Take the members, take your leads from these Safelist mailers onto your own list and build a relationship on with your own email list. And then because it takes up to 7 times for people to see an offer before they actually take action and buy. So any questions, leave those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. All the links will be in the description if you want some more information or to join any of those platforms that I've gone through today. I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.